of the most difficult things for a tire consumer to understand is why some tires cost more than other tires, even in the same size. And what do you get with a more expensive tire compared to a less expensive tire? Well, I'm going to try to talk you through some of those features today. It's very difficult. They're all round and black. And in fact, in front of me, I've got 5 tires in the same size that range from $39 to $130. You can literally buy 3 of these for the cost of 1 of these. What are the differences? Well, across here we've got a $39 tire from Westlake, which is a Chinese manufactured tire. Actually, this one's manufactured in Thailand, a Chinese company. This is a Goodyear Eagle. It's about a $60 tire, let's say. This is a Uniroyal tire, about a $70 tire. This is a BF Goodrich tire, about a $90 tire, and a Michelin tire, about a $130 tire. And what do you get in all these round black objects as you go up the price level? Well, it really comes down to about 4 or 5 real distinctions. And one of the big ones is performance. One of the things that we've seen in especially some of these Chinese manufactured tires is much longer stopping distance. Fine, you might not drive a performance car, you might drive a minivan, but someday you're going to either look up from your phone and panic brake, or have somebody jump out in front of you in an intersection, or have some kind of panic moment, or somebody cutting you off. You're going to want to hit the brakes. We see distances of up to 40 feet longer from 50 miles an hour than the next worst tire sometimes in these tires, just based on stopping distances, okay? And that has to do with the type of rubber they're using, the amount of silica that they're using against carbon black in the tire. That's a very complex compounding issue, but it really means that the rubber isn't as high quality. They're built to a price point, but your sacrifice in performance and safety is pretty great, okay? By contrast, this is a Michelin tire, quite an expensive tire, shortest stopping distances in the market, and some of the best manufactured tires there are. So that's one difference. Also, fuel economy, actually. Fuel efficiency, we see that, again, the use of the silica helps break the trade-off between rolling resistance and fuel efficiency and traction. So the tires that have more silica evenly distributed in the compound around the tread have better fuel efficiency, and we consistently see the more expensive tire deliver you more miles per gallon. Now, one of the other things that we see in the tire business, mounting these tires, the less expensive tires tend to take more weight to balance on the wheel. That doesn't really matter to you. We should be able to balance any tire on your car, but it means that the tire is less consistently manufactured around its circumference, and that it's hard to flow the rubber into the mold evenly. It's an expensive process, and that means that the less expensive tires are not as consistently manufactured. One of the other things that we see, the more expensive tires almost always have lower road noise, and that eventually can become important to you, because this tire, for example, can be quite noisy. I can see just looking at it that all the tread blocks are the same size, and that means it's going to develop a harmonic vibration compared to this Michelin, where all of the tread blocks are slightly, subtly different sizes that's designed to break that harmonic. It's more difficult to manufacture it that way because as you build different sizes, you have to use different molds. But it's one of the big differences we see in these different qualities of tires. The tire industry is so mature and the manufacturing procedures so well understood that basically the margins on tires are fairly small all across the board, and you really do get what you pay for. What do you get for a $130 Michelin tire? You get excellent handling, you get low noise, and you get great longevity and a great tread wear warranty. What do you get for $39 from Westlake? Well, you get longer stopping distances, you're likely to get more harmonic vibration, and I'm going to have to use more weight to balance that tire on your wheel, okay? So what should you buy? Well, I like to give sort of a gold, silver, and bronze recommendation, okay? And the truth is, I'm not going to sell you this tire. I don't think it's particularly safe or smart to put this tire in your vehicle, even though it's only $39. My preference for you is to go with the bronze, silver, and gold options, okay? Uniroyal, BF Goodrich, Michelin, or similar types of brands, okay? That means you're starting at about the $70 range for a tire and ending up at about $130 for a tire. What do you get for that? Well, you tend to get lower road noise, better traction, and better roundness, better consistency in the tire, and better tread wear warranties. You can decide what you want, and we're all on a budget, but I recommend for you the better tires. And just to put my money where my mouth is, these 2 tires here at the end are worn because I took them off my own personal cars to show you. I have Michelins on one of my cars, BF Goodrich on one of my other cars, and those are the tires that I personally run. Your choice is very personal to you, and of course, we're all on a budget. So call us at 844-ZipTire or look us up on www.ziptire.net to talk about what tire might be best for you. I'll tell you right now, I'm not going to put this tire on your car. I will put some of these tires on your car based on what you might need.